People do go out their way and say, it's great coffee. That's the feedback we get regularly. We were going from a 65-seat coffee shop to adding on a 120-seat restaurant plus another 45 seats in the coffee shop, so we softened that down. So effectively we're going from 65 to in excess of 200 covers. So it was important that I had a company that would be able to keep up with that kind of expansion. I built up a great relationship with Grant from Bridge Coffee. That was really important to me as well, that I got on really well with him. The generosity that was given with the equipment more than anything else, their willingness to provide everything we needed. They came and gave us a whole range of tastings on coffee. I came away from that day feeling pretty high. And we were able to identify the one specific type of coffee that we wanted to sell, which we felt would best suit the restaurant and our customers. It made it really simple and easy for us to pick the coffee that we really wanted. We've had a lot of really positive feedback about the flavour of the coffee and the quality of the coffee compared to what we used to use. We're looking at putting some posters up and telling the story about where the origins of the coffee come from. Bridge Coffee said they would do the posters, they would even help us with the coffee menu as well, and the printing and design of the menus if we wanted to. Next day support really, which is really crucial in a fast-paced environment such as running a restaurant. If we run low on something, we can pick up the phone and it will be with us sometimes even the same day or the next day. If something goes wrong with machinery, the engineers on the doorstep as well. Prior to opening, they came and spent a couple of days with us training all our new staff, and that's an ongoing support that's always offered to us, and that was important to get the consistency, so every cup of coffee was delivered the same, so customers coming from one day to the next would get the same cup of coffee, not something different just depending on who'd made it. Yeah, absolutely would, yeah. They were able to supply me with everything that I needed, right from all of the equipment that I needed, through to the training, through to the quality of coffee. The time and effort that they put into that was quite astounding, really.